and how to use the radius or stroke. So many stuffs about these things. I hope this will be useful for you. Now I just wanted to make one small design. Definitely this is like transform. It should be like 10 inches and 4 inches. All right, and I'll copy and paste. It is 10 minus 2 means 8 inches and minus 2 means 2 inches. All right, yes. So now I wanted here some radius. It means like a curve is round corner. If you go to here, the effect, style, round corner, I'll put 2 inches. Wow, it's not okay, but I'll put 1. It's great. Or else 0.5. Yeah, that's 0.5 is not okay. 0.8 I put. Yeah, it looks very nice. So I'll put okay. Now we'll see how to make it a dotted stroke or line, whatever it is. You select this one. I don't want to make this line as a dotted. I'll drag and drop one more, then shift control this one. So I'll hold this one shift. I wanted to select both. Sorry, yeah, I wanted to select both. I'll bring it in this middle. Yeah, this looks odd because I don't have a proper size for this. I just wanted to show you guys. Yes, somewhat like this. I'm doing manually. All right, it should be a stroke. Then stroke is available in Windows. Stroke. So go here, and you wanted dotted lines or straight lines. So I'll put it as a dotted lines. It's nothing but 0 to 0 to. Dash is nothing but 0. When it comes to 0, it will be a round shape. If you want to make some other things, I'll show you how it is. And 0 to 0 to 0. Gap is nothing but the gap which between this. So dot gap called, and put 2 line 1 dot. So you make this cap and round cap. Got it? So this is a difference I'm talking about. If you make it 0, yeah, this is completely round. If you want reduce the distance, make it 1, the gap, and whatever the 2 is there, make it 1. Yes, there is no gap, but 1.5 is a gap, and 1.5 is a gap, and 1.5 is the gap. So this is a distance what we wanted, or you wanted, whatever it is. So this is all about strokes. Here if you want to make some distance like dash 1, 2, 2, sorry, I should select here 2, 2, 2. Yes, you can see this is like a proportion line. It's totally fine. So whatever it is, you want to do something, you can use the stroke and lines for curves and everything. I hope it's good enough for you. If you have any questions, please put in my comment box, and if you like this video, please do like button. Have any questions? I will revert you back with that. And thank you very much.